What's up, people? Yeah, it's your boy back with a little grilling video today. I'm finna jump right into it. Today is my wife's birthday. My wife and my youngest son's birthday. So I'm finna do a little grilling for them. And so we got a little slab of baby back ribs. I already got them nice and seasoned up. Got a little liquid smoke on them because I ain't using no wood today, just straight charcoal. So give it that little extra smoke flavor. And I got me some leg quarters over here, same thing, nice and seasoned with that liquid smoke on. Get that good flavor. Then we got some down home smoke sausages, the green onion gang, gonna cook this whole pack. Then I also got some pork chops that I'm gonna do. I had to thaw it, they ain't all the way thawed out yet, so I gotta finish thawing them out and get them seasoned up. But I'm finna go ahead and get this pit ready and get this chicken and these ribs and sausage started. And I'm also gonna do a bacon cheeseburger casserole. So y'all sit back and wait on that one. I don't know if y'all ever seen that before, but I know you hadn't seen this one before because this is one that I made up myself. So y'all sit back and be entertained. Yeah. So after about an hour of cooking, except for the pork chops, I just got 2 of them on right now because the grill is full. This is how we looking after about an hour. A little over an hour. We're gonna spritz it down. By the way, there's some liquid smoke, some vinegar, and a little bit of hot sauce and water. Spritz my ribs down, all my chicken. Get them pork chops back there. Keep everything nice and moist. Let it stay on this side for about another 10 minutes. We're gonna come flip it. We're gonna let it go about 10-15 minutes on the other side. We're gonna come flip it back over, then I'm gonna start saucing them. All right, we'll be back. And meanwhile, in the house, in the kitchen, we done started our ground meat browning. And I'm finna cut up an onion and put it in there. And I'm finna put my bacon in the air fryer and get my bacon going for my casserole. All right, I got my onion down in there. Stir it all in real good. And then ground beef is just about done. And over here, got my bacon in my air fryer. And it go in for like 15 minutes. And it'll be perfect. Be back in a little bit. I got my chicken done, y'all. Got it sauced up and everything. I'm sorry I ain't showing y'all all the steps because I done this before. So I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing today. You know what I'm saying? For my wife and for my son. I got that done. And the ribs, they almost done. Well, I think they done. I'm just letting them get a little more tender. Finna go throw the rest of these pork chops on there. And then finish my casserole and that'll be a wrap. Yeah. Y'all, now I got my, I know I ain't show y'all the whole process, but I got my elbow noodles, my ground meat, my bacon, my diced tomatoes, my onion, and all that in this pot on some shredded cheese. Got it all mixed up in here. So now I'm finna put it in this pan, put a layer in there, and then I'm gonna put some sliced cheese on top of that layer, and then I'm gonna put the rest of the mixture on top of that. Then I'm gonna top it with some sharp cheddar cheese and bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes. And I'm gonna show y'all the final results. All right, y'all, this is my first layer. It's a layer of my bacon cheeseburger mixture. And then top it with some sliced cheese. Now I'm gonna go on with another layer of the mixture. Alright, y'all, now I'm gonna put on my last layer of the bacon cheeseburger mixture and topped it with some sharp cheddar cheese. And the last topping to go on top of the cheese is some sliced hamburger pickles. It might sound weird, but if y'all try it, I think y'all will like it. Now it's gonna go in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm gonna show y'all the finished result. Here it is, people. My finished product, a bacon cheeseburger casserole. So if y'all tried and y'all like it, y'all comment down below and let me know how I did. And be heard on the checkout once again. Yeah.